I'm Jackie. Welcome back to another episode of Lowe's How To Anything. Today, I'm gonna walk you through how to install a brand new dishwasher. This one has been in this home for quite some time, so it needs an upgrade. Like many kitchen appliances, the dishwasher requires power. So to uninstall it safely, we're gonna turn off the power. And then after that, we're gonna go underneath the sink and shut off its water as well. Now that everything's shut off, the next step is to disconnect the water supply, the drainage line, the air gap, and then unplug it. So here's a quick tip when you're disconnecting your water line. Although we shut it off, there's still gonna be some water that remains. So I always recommend putting down some towels if you don't want to mess. Okay, so now that we've removed our kick plate, we can see underneath here where the water line is. Also, we can see that the dishwasher isn't hardwired, which means we don't have to take out any of the electrical wire. So the next step is to take the dishwasher out. So once you open the door, you'll see that there's these two brackets right here. You're gonna unscrew them, and that's gonna let you take out this entire thing. Our brand new dishwasher from Lowe's. Look how beautiful it is. It's shiny, it's sleek. The dishes are gonna be glistening. I love it. So let's talk about all this fabric around this thing. This is not packaging, this is insulation. So what that's gonna do is reduce vibration, which will reduce sound. So don't take it off. All right, so let's talk about what we need to do in order to install this thing. Right here, this is the water line. Most dishwashers don't come with a water line. So while you're at Lowe's picking up your dishwasher, make sure you grab one of these as well. This is our power cord. We're just gonna plug this in so that the dishwasher will be running. And then down here is our brand new drainage line. We're gonna go ahead and thread that through, attach it to the air gap, and it's really as simple as that. So let's install this thing. So we're at the back of our dishwasher where the water line connects. So we're gonna take our elbow right here and connect it. You just screw it on, it's super simple. Give it a couple of twists. And you want the elbow to be facing this direction. Now that we have it tightened, we just wanna go ahead and make sure that it's secure. So just grab a wrench and give it one last go. Now it's secure. You see it's not moving or going anywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and take our water line and attach it to our elbow. The last thing that we need to connect is our power cord. So we're gonna just go ahead and put it in right there. Secured. Now we're gonna feed everything through the back so that it goes underneath the sink. The first thing that's gonna go is the power cord, then the water line, and the very last thing will be our drainage line, so let's get to it. So now we're going to go ahead and connect our drain line to our air gap. The small side is for our dishwasher and the large side is for our sink. So we're gonna go ahead and just connect that through like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and connect this one. And then we're just gonna wanna tighten these, loop it back up, and then we're gonna be able to secure our air gap. Now we're going to secure our dishwasher to our countertop. In order to do that, I picked up this dishwasher installation kit from Lowe so that we can connect our brackets. All right, our brand new dishwasher is installed. The last thing that we need to do is just give it a cycle to make sure that there aren't any leaks. Remember, for your perfect dishwasher, you could go to Lowes.com or your local Lowe's, and while you're at Lowe's trying to find the things that you need to install your dishwasher, if you need any help, just look out for a Lowe's Red Vest associate. They're there to help you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and while you're at it, leave us a comment and let us know what you want to see on the next Lowe's How To Anything.